Flight crew, please prepare for takeoff.
Good morning, gang, and welcome to another full transparency trading session. Over here, this is honestly just a playback of my day yesterday. 30 minutes, $900, 3 different trades. Honestly, could have made a lot more in these trades, so it wasn't perfect by any means. But as long as you end up green, as long as the outcome is income, you're good. So feel free to watch it. I'm going to slice out as much of the parts where I'm not saying anything or nothing's really happening as I can, and just let you see the trades play out, but let you see my thought process. Thank you so much for checking out the video. You guys have a great day and good luck in the market today. I'm up $400 so far right now. Taking this trading stuff serious. We're at 175, 150, so it looks like we need to get up to here and break out of this area. We're in a breakout zone. We'll take profit if we have to. This can go all the way up to 514, so that's why I'm being patient. Baby sleep, that's why I'm talking low. That's $200 right there, 225. Let it run, let it run. We need this to break 511. Once that breaks 511, we'll go up to about 500. Now we will get out if this starts to pull it back too hard. It should continue pulling forward. Plenty of time on this trade. We're going to move our take profit area up, or our stop loss up. Modify that to take 200 if we can't get it. All right, we've been stopped off. We took $200. We'll get back into a trade once it pulls back. We're in a buy phase. Limit 51.20. Looks like we're gonna hit new highs. We're looking to buy market. Waiting for a pullback. It's 11:10. So once we get this pullback, it should run the rest of the hour. We're gonna buy here. We're looking for a 30. Proper pullback area is right here, but we got in 25 early. That's perfectly fine. We're gonna let this run the rest of the time. We're gonna look at the 1 hour to find our high. Zoom in there, zoom out, slide over this way. So the most recent high is where I have my limit, 34. It's perfect. So we're gonna leave it at 34. We're up another $100. We're gonna go back to the 15-minute now. Watch on the 15. We're up 150. You can see it a little bit better. So we are pulling back right here. 1 hour candles. So we're green on the hour. We're gonna let this run. There's 511. It's flying up. Now we need this to like jump to 20 cents, basically. Yeah, we're firmly in the $511 area now. Literally, cents will shoot us up to where we need to be. This is a 10 a.m. drop. Just taking these trades very serious, being very patient, taking my profit if I need to, but I want to see this thing fly on up and tap my area. $15. So let's head over to the 1 hour to give it a look. The 1 hour is great. A lot of momentum in that candle. Listen, this thing has plenty of room to run, so you got to just let it ride. This thing has room to go crazy. $1,000 is 34, so I'm going to adjust up. We're at 250 right now. We'll trust the reversal signal. See if we stay at 250. Getting a little bearish momentum there, so we'll cancel this and just give it a watch. It's got to pull back a little bit, you know, it's got to release some of the buying pressure, but on the 15-minute candle we're green, so we want to see this cross up right here to 26 again. Got 14 minutes before we have to exit this trade. Don't want to roll into 11:30 holding this. But we're green on that hour, so we're good. We're breaking new highs. Like I said, we're firmly in this 55.11 area here for SPY. We want to see that run up to about 50 cents. Minimize this so we can see it like this. Okay, so we got plenty of room to the upside. We were testing the high, not breaking the high. We want to see it break this high. If we break this high, this thing is going to fly. Break the high and we fly. That's simple. Now listen, you know, when you start dancing in that zone where it's not going nowhere, sometimes you just take that profit. Everybody wants to see $1,000 trade, but we'll take $200 back to back. 225. Come on, shoot up. Shoot up. There we go. 19 cent. There we go. Get the 30 cent. Get the 30 cent. Put us in a new bracket. We're preparing to close out manually because it seems like we're kind of just sitting here at this 225. We're going to give it a few seconds. Going once, going twice. We're at 250. Okay, we're crossing up to 220. Booyah. Finally, we broke out. Finally, the body of the candle's above that wick. It's going to release a little pressure here. We can stay in the trade longer. I'm ready to close this trade at any time. Anytime it's just starts not going my way, I'm going to close out of it quickly. But for now, we're just going to ride it out. So you're going to see my screen be a little dark for a while. Don't mind that. All right, so it's looking like 250 is the max right now. So when we hit 250 again, I'm going to take it unless we shoot through to $300. But this has become a take your profit, you see profit, take profit type of deal. We'll just leave that there for when we push up. As soon as we break through, we'll go ahead and submit. Pretty close, pretty close. There we go. As soon as we break through that area, we're submitting. We're getting $200 easy. So listen, take your $200 wins and get out. Always take your $200 wins and get out. Let's go ahead and go to manual close. If we can't get it, we can't get it. All right, 275. You like to see it. You like to see it. You like to see it. Close us out. Perfectly fine. That way we get our maximum profit. We're going to head over to Tradovate. So on the second account, oh, zoom in right there. We're at 462 on the second account. Dang, I got in right before. I mean, I got out right before this pullback happened. I am so happy. That would have smoked me. That would have put me negative in my trade. I ended up getting 450. Wow, man, that pulled back so hard. All right, fam, my bad, but this next part is silent, so I'm going to just go ahead and break down what I was doing. Sometimes when I'm hyper-focused on getting into a trade or figuring out what my setup is going to be, I forget to talk through the essential steps of what I'm going through in my head to figure out this trade. But what I'm acutely aware of here is the fact that 5120 is a very strong level of support, and we're heading down towards it. So my finger's on the trigger for buying market. I'm not going to buy limit because I know that when you're hitting an area of support or a demand zone, you're usually not going to stay there for long when you're bouncing off of it. If we were like pushing down into it, that would be one thing, but this is like the bottom of it already, and it's actually where I just entered a previous trade, so I'm already looking to get back in there. We're literally just a couple of cents off right there on this one. If we wick down into it that time, you're going to see me click buy market immediately, and I'm going to roll the video and let you see what's going on. So I'm watching, it's going down. Boom, it's going to break that level. You're going to see me click buy immediately. I bought market. The maximum profit was, take profit was $1,000. The maximum stop loss is $200. As you can see, I never came anywhere near that stop loss because of this being an area of support. So, you know, I started off negative 25, but it didn't take any time for me to go positive. As soon as you start to see money, I'll start talking again and I'll cut this portion of the video. So you see we just got back in that trade from that push down there. We're at 150 already. We're going to ride this up to the area here. We're going to take profit too. So we're always ready to take profit. as soon as it seems like it's slowing down. But that's a great pullback and push back up. Basically, you just had a little bit of a sell-off there, and they should push right back up to the area where they're at. That is the consensus. But like I said, you know, we're always ready to take profit. Like always, we want to see this SPY break 511 again. It looks like we're weak and we can't get up there. Then I'll get out. $300. Okay, so we entered into another trade right here from the pullback, and we're up $400, $375 or whatever the case is right there. We're up $350 now. So we're gonna take profit here. We're not gonna play with our food. I can't see the close button, but I'm on the close button. We're gonna watch, and then we're gonna take profit when it seems like it's pulling back. But really, we should have no problem here breaking out to the north side. But we're ready. We're ready. If it does pull back, we're ready to take profit. 425 right there. 450. Uh-oh, baby's crying. That's it. Closing out.
Order filled.
All right, guys, my baby's up. I'm going to cut the video here. You saw me make $1,000 real quick.